Alright, welcome back. Got them all hooked up. They look a lot better now. And that one that was leaking, the O-ring actually fell off when it got installed, so that could be a reason why. Not really Bosch's fault there, but let's blame it on them anyways. So, get it all put back together here and be right back with you guys. Alright, so it's all back together and it is ready to go. Let's start her up. Idling a little high right now just because it's cold, but there you go. 27-pound injectors, freshly installed, not even a mile on them yet. There, idle went off. She's got a little bit of a rumble to her, but so there you have it.